Understanding AI agents, the brains behind smart systems. Welcome to today's session. In this video, we're going to demystify one of the core building blocks of artificial intelligence, AI agents. At its simplest, an AI agent is an entity that perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through actuators. Think of a robot vacuum. It senses walls and dirt and then decides where to move next. That's an AI agent at work. All AI agents follow this basic loop. They observe, they make decisions based on observations, they take actions, and in many cases they learn from the outcomes. There are many types of AI agents, and each is designed for specific tasks. Let's break them down. These agents choose actions based only on the current percept. They don't store past experiences. For example, a thermostat adjusting temperature based on the current reading. These use internal models to keep track of the world. For example, a self-driving car that remembers traffic patterns to make decisions. These agents act to achieve specific goals. They consider future actions and choose those that bring them closer to a desired outcome. These take it further by evaluating how good different outcomes are. They don't just reach a goal, they aim for the best one. Learning agents improve over time. They adapt based on feedback, experiences, or rewards. Reinforcement learning agents are a great example. AI agents are everywhere. In recommendation systems suggesting what to watch next, in autonomous drones navigating the skies, in customer service chatbots, and even in game-playing AIs like AlphaZero. In 2025, AI agents are no longer just rule-based bots. We now have multi-agent systems, foundation models acting as agents, and autonomous agents powered by LLMs like OpenAI's AutoGPT or Google's Gemini-based task agents. These agents can plan, search, reason, and even collaborate, sometimes with other agents, to complete complex goals with minimal human input. Single-agent systems work alone. Multi-agent systems involve multiple agents working together or even competing with their own goals and perspectives. Designing AI agents involves key questions. What does the agent perceive? What actions can it take? What goals should it achieve? And how does it learn and improve? As AI agents become more capable, we must also address challenges like alignment with human values, ethical decision-making, and safety in high-risk domains. So, in summary, AI agents are the engines behind intelligent behavior. From simple scripts to autonomous reasoning systems, they are redefining how machines interact with the world. Whether you're building a chatbot, training a robot, or researching general intelligence, understanding agents is the first step. Subscribe for more deep dives on AI and machine learning. Keep learning, stay curious, build smart.